It's a hummingbird in our garage. Okay. Let's zoom it again. I found a hummingbird. Oh my goodness, he is so tired. Okay, birdie, I'll give you some water more. Come on, you drink now. Okay? He's drinking, look at that. He's so tired. The hummingbird is so tired. Very good. You can say bye-bye now. It's okay. Can give you more water, okay, hummingbird? You feel okay now? Still tired? That's okay. You wanna go to my other hand? Okay. You can try, you can try. I know. It's okay. You can play now, you can play. Very good. Goodbye, hummingbird. Oh my goodness. The hummingbird is still weak. Okay, come on. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You stay with me muna. Okay, hummingbird? That's okay. Stay with me. When you're strong, I'll let you go. But now you're so weak, okay? I'll get a cage.